How's it going, everybody? Welcome to CardBreakKids.com. Today is Wednesday, March 25th, 2015. We are doing a 4-box random divisions Panini basketball mixer. We just drew the divisions with the Southwest BDB, Pacific D-Doll, Southeast Davis H, Northwest D-Doll, Atlantic BDB, Central MWJ. All right, let's get right into it. Let's start with 1415 totally certified. We also are doing 1415 gold standard, 1415 Prizm jumbo, and 1314 national treasures. Here we go. Good luck. Personal case of Don Rust. All right, we're waiting for D-Dot to come back from the ads. Yeah, what everybody's saying about the ads, guys. If you guys get ad blocker, I heard it helps a lot. Stop those ads from playing. Okay, cool. Here we go. First box, 1415 certified. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Pack numero uno. Jeff Green. Enes Kanter. Nikola Mirotic. Pete Maravich. And going to the Timberwolves, chasing AB. Jersey, 144 out of 199. Anthony Bennett for the Northwest. Ah, I see. That's how Breakers gets the money. Harrison Barnes. Larry Bird for the Lakers. CJ or Clippers, sorry. 2 out of 10. Gold rookie for the Clippers in the Pacific. D-Daw. Gold die cut. Great American Heroes insert. 130 out of 299. In the Central Division, Mitch MWJ, we got Jabari, 234, 249 jersey card. Red parallel jersey, Jabari Parker. .234 out of 249, Jabari Parker. Base card, Kobe Bryant. Amari Stoudemire. Johnny O. And a die cut for the Atlanta Hawks. 55 out of 135 going into Southeast. Al Horford, red die cut. Going to the Golden State Warriors, Harrison Barnes, jersey 147 out of 299, clear cloth. Pacific once again. Last pack, sir. Gordon Hayward. Karl Malone. Almost said Moses Malone. Red parallel. Chris Bosh for the Miami Heat Southeast. That is out of 67 out of 279. Going to Southeast. And for the Pacific once again, Andrew Bogut, blue parallel base. That is out of 95 out of 149. For the Charlotte Hornets in the Southeast. Southeast Davis H. On card, PJ Hairston, rookie roll call. Rookie autograph. PJ Hairston. 176 out of 249. Got the PJ Hairston, Mitch. All right. Normally we'd go with Prizm first. Let's do gold standard. Between. All right, we got a base parallel out of 279, 26 out of 29 for the 79 for the Miami Heat in the Southeast. J.R. Smith, 69, 285. Giannis, 186, 285. Anthony Hardaway, 135 out of 285. For the Dallas Mavericks in the Southwest BDB. Gold Scripts, Al Farouk Aminu, 88 out of 199. For the Denver Nuggets, David Thompson, 25 out of 79. For the Nuggets in the Northwest, David. And we got 150. We're going to randomize to every division at the end. 150 points. For the San Antonio Spurs in the Southwest, BDB, Danny Green, 35 out of 149, gold strike jersey autograph. For the Philadelphia 76ers in Atlantic, BDB, Julius Erving, 25 out of 25, black base parallel. And last hit out of Gold Standard for the Northwest, Utah Jazz. David, triple jersey window, Rodney Hood on card, $49.99. Oh yes, Prizm, Jumbo, pack number 1, autograph, our first pack. Blue poster. Who do we got? Dominique Wilkins for the Atlanta Hawks in the Southeast. Davis, Dominique Wilkins, 54, 249. Blue poster. And what else we got? Base cards, Alfred Payton base. Blue-green, Robert Horry. And a James Young for the Celtics. Out of 139. 50 out of 139. Blue green, Devin Marble. Red yellow, Tristan Thompson. SP variation, Joel Embiid. We got a red pulsar. Autograph. Going to the Charlotte Hornets in the Southeast. Glenn Rice. More veterans for you. 3 out of 149. Red pulsar, Glenn Rice. There we go. Refractor, Ty Lawson. For the Nuggets, blue green, red yellow, Kawhi. Blue green, Cody Zeller for the Hornets. And Joe Harris. Another auto. Got a blue poster this time. For the Atlanta Hawks. Southeast. Dennis Schroeder. Atlanta Hawks blue pulsar. 217, 249. There you go. Refractor, Jeremy Lin. Glenn Robinson the third. And a die cut, Kyrie Irving for the Cavaliers. 80 out of 139. Cavaliers with Central. Mitch. Jabari Parker, rookie card. No color. Oh, it is an autograph. Okay. Knew it was auto. Blue poster autograph. Going to the Houston Rockets. Southwest. Troy Daniels. Had a feeling it was Troy Daniels. Damn it. Blue autograph. Blue pulsar. Southwest. BDB. 114 out of 249. Red yellow. Kenneth Faried. For the Atlanta Hawks again. Adrian Payne light blue. 46 out of 49. Right? Yeah. That's their bonus auto, right, Davis? Bonus. Fireworks. OJ Mayo for the Bucks. Prizms. Red yellow. Bellinelli. Blue green. Mirsan. And Stauskas SP variation for the Kings in the Pacific. We got the red pulsar out of 25 here. Going to the Golden State Warriors. David Lee out of 25. Pacific Division. D-Daw. 8 out of 25. Red pulsar. Base. Parallel. Allen Houston. Amari Stoudemire. Back-to-back Knicks. And the representatives. Kevin Love. Ricky Rubio. Kobe Bryant. Orange die cut. 107, 139. Representatives. Hakeem Olajuwon. That was just a base card. Freshman Phenoms overpaying for the Magic. Another Magic. Blue-green for Davis. Hornets, once again for Southeast. 115, 139 for Davis. Okay, Davis believes me. SP Variation, James Young. Rookie cards, TJ Warren, Joel Embiid. Blue-green, MKG for the Hornets. Red-yellow, Brandon Bass. SP Variation, Zach Levine. And that will do for Prizm. Here we go. It's a big one. National Treasures, 13-14. Seal in the back. Oh. All right, guys. Good luck. Here it goes. National Treasures. Got 2 printing plates. First printing plate going to Sacramento Kings. Black plate 101, Isaiah Thomas. Sacramento Kings. In the Pacific. D-Daw. Second, going to the Northwest. Also to David. Cyan plate 101, Enes Kanter. All right, first card, base card, 5 out of 25 for the Milwaukee Bucks, Brandon Knight. 5 out of 25. Milwaukee Bucks in the Central Division. You want to Mitch. Once again in the Central, staying in the Central Division, Greg Monroe. 89 out of 99, dual jersey. Game Gear. For the San Antonio Spurs in the Southwest. Southwest BDB, 33 out of 75, Timmy Duncan. 33 out of 75, jersey. Going to the Detroit Pistons once again, X Factor jersey, 22 out of 99, Joe Dumars. For the Pistons, X Factor Joe Dumars, 22.99. And heir apparent for the New Orleans Pelicans in the Southwest, BDB, Anthony Davis, 14 out of 15. You got actually, I don't know if you can see that. That's like, it's like 2 color, but both white. 14 out of 15, heir apparent, Anthony Davis. For, who's that? The New York Knicks in the Atlantic Division, BDB. NBA greats, 49 out of 49, eBay 1 of 1. Walt Bellamy for the New York Knicks. Knickerbockers. On a BDB. For the Los Angeles Lakers in the Pacific Division, D-Daw, Swaggy P on card, 31 out of 75. Jersey on card autograph. Almost off card with the autograph there. 31 out of 75, Swaggy P, Nick Young. For the Phoenix Suns in the Pacific, David, 13 out of 60. Connie Hawkins, 13 out of 60. And we're going to end it with the Northwest. David, D-Dog, 2667.
RPA.
RPA 18 out of 99. Damn, look at this patch. Shabazz Muhammad. Rookie RPA.
Just imagine that could be Wiggins.
This is going to be Wiggins this year. Boom. 18 out of 99. Congratulations to David in the Northwest Division. And that will do it for our 5-boxer. Thank you guys for joining. We'll catch you on the next break. Actually, let's randomize the 150. There you go. To all the divisions. Okay.
Damn, that's thick ass card.
With the RPA?
No, this card, Connie Hawkins.
All right, 3 times for the 150 points. Once, twice, and 3 times. Going to the Central Division. 150 points going to Mitch MWJ. Getting 150 points. There you go. Congratulations, Mitch. Oh, sneaker.
Yeah.
The Connie Hawkins was a sneaker. That's why.
That's like look how thick that card.
Wow. All right. Thanks, guys.